Hi, my name is Antonia Reyes and I am a naturalist illustrator. I use images as a means of expression and discovery of the natural world. Drawing becomes a way to interact with nature, and drawing also leads to understanding. This level of intimacy can only lead to complicity, and that in turn into care and affection. I use watercolors and other experimental techniques to get fully detailed and highly descriptive illustrations of many different species. These techniques are all about playing with colors and layers to recreate those fascinating aquatic worlds filled with bewildering creatures. In this Domestika course, you will learn watercolor techniques that will help you in the illustrations of whales using a naturalistic style. As a final project, we will create 3 whale illustrations experimenting with watercolors to get attractive and realistic results. We will start with a brief introduction to the amazing creatures that whales are. Then I will show you how to build a reference board and all the art supplies for drawing and watercolor that you will need to begin this incredible journey. I will guide you through the use of watercolor techniques to recreate the unique texture of a whale's skin. After that, we will sketch our 3 whales, studying some basic anatomy, identifying shape and proportion, and then transferring our sketch onto watercolor paper. We will begin with the orca to understand how to work with tone and volume in order to obtain that 3-dimensional effect. Then I'll show you how to apply the wet-on-wet technique to recreate the spotted pattern on the blue whale. And last but not least, we will get experimental, using sea salt to help us bring to life the amazing humpback whale. By the end of this course, you will be able to illustrate 3 different species of whales using watercolor in a naturalistic style. In order to take this course, it will be helpful if you're already familiar with the basics of sketching and the use of watercolor. Also, you will need sea salt, masking fluid, your drawing and painting supplies, and of course, watercolors. Dive deep into an ocean of watercolor and create illustrations using a naturalistic style.